In 2025, AI isn't just helping freelancers, it's replacing them. From design and copywriting to video editing and web development, AI tools are becoming so advanced they can now do the job faster, cheaper, and often better. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a small business owner, today we're diving into the top 3 AI tools that are changing the game and replacing entire freelance roles. You won't believe what's now possible with just a few clicks. Before we begin, a quick note. This video isn't anti-freelancer. It's about empowering creators, startups, and side hustlers who need results fast without the budget for a team. These AI tools offer professional quality output, 24/7 service, and zero back-and-forth emails. We're entering a new age where smart software is doing what used to take hours or days of human labor. So let's get into the first AI tool shaking up the creative world. Number 1. Midjourney V6. The AI designer that's making graphic freelancers nervous. Want a logo? A social media graphic? A surreal product mockup? Midjourney does it all through text prompts. You type vintage-inspired brand logo with golden gradients, and in seconds, it gives you high-res artistic results. No design degree needed, no long revisions. Just beautiful visuals on demand. It's like having an in-house artist, only faster. Why does Midjourney stand out in 2025? Because it's no longer just for artists. It's now used by startups, e-commerce brands, and YouTubers to generate thumbnails, ad creatives, product images, and even full-blown packaging concepts. It's photorealistic, customizable, and evolving fast. And best of all, no subscription to Adobe. You can build an entire visual identity, brand colors, mascots, headers without a single meeting or mood board. Midjourney has even expanded into UX and UI. With the right prompts, users are designing mobile app interfaces and web layouts that rival real designers. It's not about eliminating creativity, it's about speeding up the process and making great design accessible to non-creatives. Freelancers are still valuable, but Midjourney lets small teams punch way above their weight. Number 2. Jasper AI, the copywriter killer. Jasper has evolved from a basic content writer into a full-scale brand voice generator. It can now create product descriptions, social media posts, sales pages, email funnels, video scripts, and more in your exact tone. Whether you want fun and quirky or serious and corporate, Jasper adapts instantly. It's like having 5 copywriters in your back pocket. Here's the real power of Jasper: consistency. You can train it on your brand's voice using a few samples, and it will mirror your style across every channel. Need 30 Instagram captions by noon? Done. Want 5 versions of your product tagline for A/B testing? Jasper does it in under a minute. It even generates ideas for blog topics, email sequences, and viral ad hooks. It's creative, strategic, and tireless. In 2025, most small business owners aren't writing content anymore. They're editing what Jasper gives them. Agencies are even using Jasper as a base to speed up delivery. It doesn't just replace freelancers, it gives you superpowers as a marketer. You become the strategist, not the laborer. And unlike humans, it doesn't sleep or get writer's block. Let's move to number 3, Runway ML Gen 3, the AI video editor that's replacing motion designers and content editors left and right. Want to turn a blog post into a video? Add animated titles, cut scenes, generate B-roll, even edit out filler words from audio? Runway does it all automatically. And it's scarily good at it. No timeline, no software. Just a drag-and-drop interface powered by machine learning. Runway's latest model even supports text-to-video. Type a scene, a drone shot of a misty forest at dawn, and it creates it in cinematic quality. For creators and marketers, this is huge. You don't need stock footage subscriptions, camera gear, or Final Cut skills. You just need an idea and a sentence. Runway does the rest. It's like having a Hollywood editor on standby 24/7. It also excels at repurposing content. Record one video and Runway can automatically cut it into short clips, add subtitles, transitions, and music all tailored for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. What used to take an entire video editor a full day now takes 10 minutes. Freelancers used to dominate this space. Now AA is the editor, the director, and the assistant all at once. Let's recap. Midjourney replaces designers. Jasper replaces writers. Runway replaces editors. These aren't future predictions, they're present realities, and what makes them even more powerful? You can combine them. You can create a brand in Midjourney, script content with Jasper, and launch video ads using Runway all without leaving your browser. The freelance economy has officially entered its automation era. So are freelancers doomed? Not exactly. But the value proposition has shifted. In 2025, freelancers must offer something AI can't: strategy, unique voice, complex thinking, or emotional intelligence. If you're a business owner, you don't have to choose. You can use AI for the grunt work and humans for the magic. But if you're on a budget, these tools give you everything you need to compete. Let's talk cost. Hiring a graphic designer? $200, $1,000 for branding. Midjourney? About $10 a month. Copywriter? $100 per landing page. Jasper? Around $40 a month. Video editor? $300 for a short promo. Runway? Free for basic use, premium under $15 a month. In short, for under $100 a month, you get the power of an entire creative agency. That's not the future, that's today. But here's the kicker. These tools are getting better weekly. Midjourney images are approaching photorealism. Jasper now integrates directly with your CRM and analytics. Runway is being trained to read scripts and suggest edits like a human director. The line between human and AI creativity is blurring. And if you don't start adapting, you're going to be left behind. What about quality? You might be thinking, sure, AI is fast, but is it good? The answer is yes, with guidance. The best users treat these tools like junior creatives. You prompt, direct, tweak, and guide. The results? Better than average freelancers, faster than agencies, and infinitely scalable. AI isn't here to replace your vision, it's here to multiply it. If you're a creator, solopreneur, or startup founder, this is your advantage. You can do in a day what used to take a team a week. You can launch brands, products, and campaigns with the power of AI at your fingertips. And the best part? The learning curve is tiny. You don't need to be tetchy, you just need to be curious. Still unsure where to begin? Try this. Use Midjourney to design your next brand idea. Use Jasper to write a product description. Use Runway to make a video trailer. Do it in one weekend. No budget, no team, just ideas and tools. You'll be shocked at what you can create and how quickly you can look like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this video opened your eyes to the power of AI tools or gave you ideas for your next business move, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've got more deep dives, AI tutorials, and tool breakdowns coming every week. Have a favorite AI tool we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. Let's build smarter together.